monetize as you make it. You don't need to have the full program built out. You enroll a founding cohort and you go through the co-creation process of your program together. So I did that, very quickly within the same month of booking out my business. And I was like, and I think, the higher powers like that I was invested in mentorship. So I knew, I already had kind of the idea of like, how do I scale this business and, time leverage. So I brought on, after I booked out the founding cohort, immediately after that, I brought on the first co-coach for the program. And she would do a bit of coaching, but also she would do, pull the daily job opportunities that we post in the job board and some of the admin stuff to just free up my time because I was still working as a VA as well. And then the shift out of VA work and just into coaching happened, I would say about 4 months.
Catch all the episodes at theprofitablecoach.com or your favorite podcast player.